How to look up Bitcoin address on Coinbase app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you look up Bitcoin address on Coinbase app. Now then, to begin with, you need to follow the steps. So first of all, you will have to log into your Coinbase app on your phone and log into your account. Then you have to tap the receive from the home screen and tap on the receive button. So basically click on the receive button, and next you have to select the app will display your default asset. Tap the asset name to view a list of supported asset, and you have to select Bitcoin from the list to see your Bitcoin wallet address. And you could also find the QR code, whichever is convenient for you. You could download the QR code or maybe copy the wallet address as well. Then you could copy the wallet address by tapping onto the square icon right next to it. And that is how you could look up for our Bitcoin address on Coinbase. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.